whatever comments he has made, if you have to look those comments in the context, that I would like to put in a proper perspective. Just, I would remind one thing. You remember in 2007, there was so much hue and cry about the clemency of Afzal Guru by the so-called secular parties. But this was the same year when they were not ready to give support for the second term of Dr. Abul Kalam. So, in a way, they themselves were trying to take the entire minority on the side of
Dr. Trivedi,
those who are accused of terror.
Trivedi, the comment that Anand was referring to that... Yes, no, the comment that Anand was referring to, Hindus must remain alert of Muslims, Muslims consider terrorists their protectors, was a comment that was made in December 2013. Now, I can quote you comments from February 2015, I can quote comments from last year, from 2007 or even before that. Now, let's not go there, and I don't think you will be able to individually sit and defend those comments. The question we are asking today is, has he turned the page?
No, there is no question of defending.
Has he genuinely taken a page out of Prime Minister Modi's book, or is this just optics, sir? आप चाहें डिफेंड करा हर एक स्टेटमेंट को तो हम वो पूरा लिस्ट खोल के बैठ सकते हैं।
This is not the optics.
सुधांशु त्रिवेदी,
अरे लिस्ट खोल के बैठिए, उस पर बाकायदा पूरे केस बाय केस उसके ऊपर डिस्कशन करेंगे। इसी पूर्वांचल में आजमगढ़ है, आजमगढ़ के संजरपुर में जाकर कांग्रेस के नेता दिग्विजय सिंह, राम नरेश यादव से लेकर सोनिया गांधी की आंखों में आंसू तक आ जाएंगे। इन द नेम ऑफ व्हाट? आई एम हैविंग ऑब्जेक्शन फॉर विच योगी आदित्यनाथ इज सेइंग इज करेक्ट. You are trying to portray entire thing on the pretext of minorities. You are unnecessarily connecting the entire community, whatever is called as terrorism.
So what does he mean when he says in Hindus? So what did he mean?
So many other things. So you have
we
to
genuinely didn't want to get into this because the idea was to look forward to read into the indications that he's given in the past 24 hours, and I think there is some hope there. But because you're raising this issue, what does he mean when he says in Hindu society everyone feels safe, every mother and sister feels safe, but why does a Muslim area feel insecure? Is this not fear mongering? Did he not resort to this? Let's not be in denial of this, because today we are even going to ask the rival parties of what they have been guilty of. What they have been guilty of in the past, that they should not be in denial of.
Tanvi, in the recently concluded Vidhan Sabha election, why he has said, in the recently concluded Vidhan Sabha election, कासगंज से जो समाजवादी पार्टी के उम्मीदवार थे, ओपनली टीवी पे देखा गया, वो क्या बोल रहे थे? अगर हमारी सरकार बनी तो किसी पुलिस वाले की हैसियत नहीं होगी कि किसी मुसलमान को छू दे. Election Commission has taken notice. But what was the